Welcome to our exploration of the regex command in Splunk SPL. The regex command is a powerful tool for filtering events using regular expressions. It allows you to search and filter data based on specific patterns within your raw event data or individual fields. Regular expressions provide flexible pattern matching capabilities that go beyond simple text searches, enabling you to find complex data patterns with precision. Let's start with the basic syntax of the regex command. For simple pattern matching, you can use index equals webpipe regex followed by your pattern in quotes, such as error. This will filter events containing the word error anywhere in the raw event data. For field-specific matching, you specify the field name followed by an equals sign and your pattern. For example, regex status equals $2 curly brace $2 matches status codes that start with the number 2, like 200, 201, or 204. Here are some commonly used regular expression patterns in Splunk. For text patterns, $W plus @ $W plus $W plus $sign matches email addresses. \B D1,3 \D1,3 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 \B matches IP addresses. Square bracket A-Z curly brace 2, 4 matches uppercase letter codes. For number patterns, square bracket 45 \D curly brace $2 matches 400 or 500 series status codes. \D curly brace 4 \D curly brace 2 \D curly brace 2 matches date formats like year, month, day. $D plus \D curly brace 2 matches currency amounts. When you use the regex command without specifying a field name, it searches the entire raw event data by default. For example, index equals webpipe regex quote error. Database quote searches for the word error followed by any characters, and then the word database anywhere in the raw event. You can make your searches case-insensitive by using the $I flag. The pattern $I failed pipe error will match failed, error, error, or any other case variation of these words in your raw events. For more targeted filtering, you can apply regex patterns to specific fields. The syntax regex user_agent equals Chrome filters events where the user agent field contains the word Chrome. You can chain multiple regex commands together to filter on different fields. For example, first filtering for get or post methods, then filtering for successful status codes starting with 2. This approach gives you precise control over your data filtering requirements. Advanced regex patterns allow for more complex filtering scenarios. The pattern $I exception, timeout pipe connection. Failed parenthesis uses case-insensitive matching with alternation to find exceptions related to timeouts or connection failures. The * allows for any characters between exception and the error conditions. You can also use negation with the ! Operator. For example, regex method ! Equals options excludes options requests, while regex URI ! Equals /health excludes health check endpoints. To optimize regex performance in Splunk, follow these best practices. Use early filtering by applying regex commands after your initial search filters, rather than at the beginning of your search. More specific regex patterns perform better than broad, generic ones. Consider extracting fields first before applying regex filters, as this can improve search efficiency. Use anchor patterns with and $signs when you need to match entire field values rather than partial matches. These optimization techniques help ensure your regex searches run efficiently, especially when processing large volumes of data. Let's summarize the key points about the regex command. First, regex enables powerful filtering through precise pattern matching on both raw events and specific fields. Second, performance matters. Use specific patterns and apply early filtering for optimal search efficiency. Third, the syntax is flexible, supporting case-insensitive matching with the $I flag, and negation operators with exclamation mark equals. Finally, you can chain multiple regex commands together to meet complex data filtering requirements. The regex command is an essential tool for advanced Splunk users who need sophisticated pattern matching capabilities in their data analysis workflows. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.